To set video as a watch face on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro, start by opening the HUAWEI Health application, go for Devices, select your watch, and now take a look. Go below for My Faces, wait for the loading, and select Manage Local Watch Faces. Now you have to search for a video watch face, tap on it, and here you can already find some presets. But if you want to set your custom video, just click here and you can take video right now or select video from your gallery. Click on the settings because when you are using this for the first time, you will have to grant permission for your photos and the videos. So go for this, accept like so and go back again. Now just repeat, select video. You can play this video right now, so that's basically how mine looks, and you can make it shorter or bigger by using those lines over here. So I want to get, for example, only this part, and click here to apply. What you can also do, you can actually apply this watch face, so you can change its style, font, style, size, color, and some other things. After you apply everything, just click apply button, and you will have to click to upload. So click here, and we have to scan to edit the watch face. But now when you go back, as you can see, we don't even have to because it's already on our phone. I mean on our watch.